consideration in what we do, things can change in a heartbeat, in 90 minutes. That's too much time of our day. That's too much time out of and that's what you pay for. You pay for not just being lazy sometimes, you pay for that convenience, creating an efficiency, because you and I work during the day, like there's a lot of people, but we are working during the day, not just at night. So you have to take advantage of it. Do you often think that if we lived under the technology of 20 years ago, that I think this all the time, I couldn't do this show. And having a smartphone, being in the supermarket, being able to do my show prep, I'm always on the move. Wherever I am, I can do show prep. And I thought, without the convenience of all the technology and things being delivered to my house, I might not be able to do this show. 26 years ago, next month, I started at this job, and I will tell you, it was not as easy. Because when I started, I did not have a cell phone. I didn't even have a cell phone. And my first cell phone didn't have internet. So, yeah. 866-90-RED-EYE.
Coming up, more with Gary McNamara and Eric Harley. It's Red Eye Radio.
Progressive Commercial Insurance protects truck owners with specialized coverages for heavy trucks. Get a quote in as little as 5 minutes at progressivecommercial.com.
Are you retired or retiring soon? You know how much money you need to live comfortably. Retirement Planners of America is here for you. These may feel like scary times. Several economists are saying that a recession is imminent. So what do you do? Ancient wisdom says plans fail for lack of counsel, but with many advisors, they succeed. Would you like to have financial peace of mind? Here's how. Step 1. Find out the amount of money you'll need to retire. Step 2. Have an actionable plan to get there. Step 3. Make sure that plan is executed to take advantage of market gains, but protect you from market losses. We would like to give you a free, no-obligation consultation to help you do all three. We will help you discover your magic number and give you the roadmap to get there. Call now to schedule your free consultation. 800-508-6108. That's 800-508-6108. 800-508-6108. Don't wait. Call 800-508-6108.
All investments involve risk, including losses. Past performance does not guarantee future results.
Tis the season for pro drivers to rack up loyalty points faster when you activate Push for Points in the My Rewards Plus app. Earn more loyalty points faster and use your points to treat yourself to a huge selection of in-store items like snacks, drinks, merch, and so much more. Activate Push for Points and earn up to 4 points per gallon after just 6 fills instead of 15 fills like the other guy. Download the My Rewards Plus app and activate Push for Points today. Only at Pilot Flying J. See pilotflyingj.com/terms and conditions for My Rewards Plus terms and conditions.
Red Eye Radio and our sponsors are devoted